Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I did a little cooking with me. Over the weekend I cooked a cilantro lime chicken with some mango salsa. So if you guys want to try the recipe, I'll link it down below. It's just a recipe that I found from Pinterest. But let's just get right into the video. Alright, so here I'm just showing you guys what you'll need for the marinade for your chicken. You're going to need some oranges for some fresh orange juice, some olive oil, lime. You're going to need some honey, some ground cumin, soy sauce, some minced garlic, and chopped cilantro. So first things first is you're going to juice your oranges. You're going to need 3/4 cup. And then you're also going to need a leftover of 1 tablespoon. You're going to use the 1 tablespoon later on for your mango salsa. And you guys, who knew that squeezing oranges was a freaking workout? So once you have your 3/4 cup, you're just going to add that to your bowl. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of lime, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of honey, and then you're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and 1/2 cup of cilantro. So this is what your marinade should look like once you add everything together. I'm just gonna go in with a spoon and mix it up a little bit. So now we are prepping the chicken. I already washed it, and I don't know about you guys, but I have to wear gloves because I hate touching raw chicken. But here I'm just trimming off any fat that I don't want on there. And then you're just gonna take your chicken and slice it in half. The pack of chicken breast that I bought was 3 pieces, but cutting it in half gives me 6 pieces. So you're just gonna repeat the process to all of your chicken. So once you're done cutting up your chicken, you're going to cover it with some plastic wrap, and then you're gonna beat it up a little bit with this hammer thing. I don't know why I can't think of the name right now. But you're just gonna do that to all of your chicken and add it to the marinade. So once you're all done, you're gonna wanna cover the chicken with saran wrap, and we're gonna let that sit in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes. And while that marinates, we're gonna move on to the mango salsa. For the mango salsa, you're obviously gonna need a mango, some avocado, red onion, some red bell peppers, a jalapeno, some sea salt, and some pepper. And you can eat this dish with honestly anything, rice, whatever, but we're eating it with some chopped cabbage. So you're just gonna take your mango, and then you're just gonna chop all of that up. Fun fact about mangoes, I remember as a little girl when my grandma would pick me and my brother up from school, one of our snacks that we would eat was mango. And I don't know what it is, but the way she would prepare it just tasted so much better. So once that's all chopped up, you're just gonna add it to your bowl. Here I'm just breaking up the pieces a little bit. And then you're gonna move on to the avocado. Let's see if it's a perfect one. It is, yay! So then yeah, you're just gonna chop up your avocado. Next, you're gonna chop up some red onion. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but as I was editing the clips, I had to cut off me chopping an onion just because it was making me cringe. I don't know why I picked a glass cutting board, because for whatever reason, a glass cutting board is hard to cut onions on. Or maybe I don't know. So yeah, you're just gonna add that to your bowl. Then you're gonna move on to the red bell pepper. And then you're gonna add the jalapeno. And then you're gonna add the sea salt and a little bit of pepper. And then you're gonna add the leftover of the 1 tablespoon of orange juice that you saved, along with some lime juice. And then add some cilantro. And then you're just gonna mix it all up. And it should look like this. It's so good, you guys. So next, we're just preheating the air fryer. If you guys are looking into getting an air fryer, I highly recommend this one. So I'm just gonna do 360. And then once it's all heated up, you're going to add the chicken. So you're gonna cook it at 360 for about 10 minutes. And then once that's done, let's just listen to the sizzle for a minute. So here's what the final product looks like. This one is plated with rice for my little cousin. And then we just have the shredded cabbage. Okay, I got my test taster over here.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
How's it?
Good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
1 out of 10? No, on a scale from 1 to 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, or if you want me to do more cooking with me videos, comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!